She never did her makeup before.
Mm-hmm.
Never ever in her life. Can
What?
you believe it?
Get wiki.
You never heard about that meme?
Hi.
It was too much on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm with my little sister, Julia. I would actually be doing her makeup. She never did her makeup before. That's what she told me. I don't know if it's true, but she said never ever in her life. Can you believe it? Can't wait to see how you look like afterwards. Okay, let's get started. I'm also excited. So we're gonna see how you look like with your makeup on. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of like just a simple makeup on her face. And she actually has a very beautiful face, like very clean. Yeah, I hope my foundation can fit her skin tone. I think we're the same color. Yeah, so let's get started. Are you excited?
Yeah, like very much.
Oh, baby girl. Okay.
It's fine, eh?
It's fine. You're smart. So first we'll do your eyebrows, ne?
Right.
Okay, I'm not gonna mention the products that I'm using on her face today because I'm really lazy at that. But we're just gonna do her face and then we see the final result. She actually have nice eyebrows. Yeah, you can just close her eyes. It's fine.
Yeah, should I create another one?
Even more. Let me see. Okay. Okay, open your eyes.
Oh, that looks.
We're almost there.
As if I even know.
We're almost there. Okay. A bit of gold shimmer. But it looks so good in person. Look at me. It looks good in person.
Even on camera.
But it's like plain.
How plain?
Like
It needs to
plain.
be.
It needs like another color. Like getting, you know, how long was it?
I did waxing when and like 2 weeks now, 3.
Oh. So literally every month you must do waxing.
Ah no, the last waxing I did it was in January. Mwah.
We're done and she looks so good. She looks so good. Like we didn't even do the contouring thing, and obviously I could not shape her eyebrows because I'm not allowed to, but she looks good.
I look different.
Looks
Like
different.
cute.
Like we go out right now.
Yeah, this really look good. I think I should start doing makeup.
I
What do you
don't
say?
know. It's all up to you. You know, look even grown up.
I'm grown.
You look older than me now.
Oh, okay.
This
is good.
Like, it's only the reflection of the camera on it, but like it's like a goldish feel, and it looks really good. And you get my big malapes.
Yeah, I just noticed now that I picked it.
I thought my
Do
lips
this.
were bigger.
Let me see.
Mine are not big.
Ah, no, they are not.
Let
They
me
are
put
not
on the
shaped.
gloss so I see. They're not big. These are bigger, literally. Yours are bigger. People used to say I have big lips.
This is
Why?
how I would want to look in.
Oh, you look even more cuter. No cuter. You! Wapiti lilange?
No, man. I just not. I didn't
I used to
know.
think I have big lips, but yours are bigger. Yeah, guys, so that's it. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. This is the look that my sister is going with. She looks really beautiful. I tried. I'm not a professional makeup artist, guys, but I tried and I feel like she looks amazing.
Really pretty.
Really beautiful. And the fact that she never did makeup ever, this is like nice. It's a
I
nice
think I should
experience.
even start doing makeup. I should.
This is nice
Because
for
this-
Lisa to do makeup. She looks good. You can see anything.
Bye. Peace. Put it close now.
Bye.